Hey beauties, my name is KT. I'm doing this face on today's video. If you want to see the whole look, you have to go watch my going to a gala video if you want to see the entire look. But we're just gonna do the face. If you want to watch and see how I do it, just keep on watching. I said that was kind of off. Y'all get the point. So we're gonna go ahead and start on his face. Let me moisturize my face because I did just get out the shower and my face be dry, like really dry. I'm gonna use my One Size Secure the Blur primer. Apply this one with a brush. I try to focus this primer in the middle of my face, so like all of this part. I don't necessarily go to the outer parts with this primer. But you can stretch it out though, you know. Cover that face, girl. So now I'm gonna use my blur stick. When I'm like really going somewhere, y'all, I overdo it with the priming. I'm not gonna lie, like I'm gonna prime my life away. See, when I be just recording for content, I don't prime as much because like a lot of times I wipe it right off. So if I'm pointless, I'm gonna go ahead and run my powder through my brows so I can go ahead and do them. Okay, so I'm gonna do my brow. Okay, so my brows are done. So I'm gonna just spray some of my matte setting spray. And now I'm gonna set it with my setting powder. Now that I'm a ghost, go ahead and do my foundation. I'm using the color 300 in a Juvia's Place foundation, and then I'm gonna blend it out. Okay, so I'm priming my lids with one of my concealers. I'm gonna take my angled eyeshadow brush. I can't wait to do this. I couldn't wait to get a YouTube channel just to do this. You know what I'm saying? Because I feel like all the old YouTubers used to do that. I don't know if they do it so much no more. I don't really be watching a lot of tutorials. But that's OG status. We can do. Okay, so I'm going into my favorite palette. I use this palette every time I do my makeup, believe it or not. I'm going to go into the dark brown first. And we're going to angle this, starting from the middle of the lid, going up. I'll spread it out all the way back. Alright, so now I found another brush, something like this. Okay, then we're gonna go into the lighter brown and we're gonna go on top and blend it out. Alright, now I'm gonna go back with the dark brown. And blend that out. Now we're gonna go in with walls in the color, not the black, but the other one that look like black, but not black. The lighter black. And we're gonna come under and blend. Using my same angle brush. Cause now I'm gonna go back into my dark brown. And go on top and blend. Okay, so I went ahead and I matched the other eye. So now I'm gonna go into my James Charles palette, and I'm gonna use this gold, this one up here, and I'm gonna put this in the front. You just kind of want to blend this over without making anything precise or anything like that. You just want to give it a good blend into the other shadow. So I'm going to add these liquid shadows that I have that I actually was going to come out with for my brand, but I haven't, and I've just been having them and loving them. I don't know, the liquid shadows, the pigmented ones, they're like a dupe. Well, I don't know how good theirs is. I never tried it, but mine's bomb. What I tell you, bomb. The blend part, I feel like it's always so stubborn, but maybe that's just me. I need to do better with my blending. Yeah, because that one don't even look like that. So let me fix this one. You just gotta pat. Yeah. Okay, this one has like a lot. Take the light brown brush that we was using the light brown with, and I'm gonna kind of go in on this one. But it's okay because I'm actually wearing a mask and this is the eye that's showing, so that's even better. But they are popping. Oh my god, I'm in love now. Now I'm gonna go into my black eyeshadow. I need to add my liner first, so let's add the liner first so we can blend the shadow right into it. Now when you're doing your liner, you want to make it go up. Like it's gotta go up in an angle for this look to come out how it's supposed to. Okay, so you want that to dry. I'm gonna just take my brush that I use with my foundation and I'm gonna just clean up under my eyes. I'm gonna use this color first, deep olive. I'm gonna use this first under my eyes. The liner should be dry, so let's take our black and then we're going to blend it into our liner like this and drag it out and lightly blend up. We're gonna do our ombre one more time, so keep blending the black a little bit more. Okay, now we're gonna go into the dark brown and go right on top of that black and blend that. Then you want to go into the light brown and blend that on top of the other brown, and then I'm gonna go into the color that's not black and then just go right on top of the black with it. Light brown brush. I need a lighter brown, so I'm gonna go into my James Charles palette and use let's see, I'm gonna use this like yellow one next to the orange in the middle, and I'm just gonna take this above here and lighten this up because I need a little bit of lightness up here. Okay. With the same olive concealer that I was using, I'm going to use that to clean up my ends. Sharp as a knife. Now I'm going to continue on with the rest of my face. I'm going for a really bright under eye, that's just the type of stuff I like. So you blend all your concealers in and then set it. I'm gonna start off using my Black Radiance Soft Focus Powder in the color Milk Chocolates. Now I'm gonna need to take this off because I know my foundation ain't blended. Y'all see that line? That's what you don't want. Okay. Alright, so now I'm gonna use the 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, the 5th color in the James Charles palette. The 5th color in the middle. And I'm gonna go on top of my contour with it. Just because sometimes I want my contour to have a color in it. So then I'm gonna use another brush and I'm gonna go in with the orange color in the middle. And we're gonna blend that in. This orange blush is always a great idea. Let's fight about it. Oh yeah, I want to fight about it? Okay. I'm going to use my really light pink blush that clearly I'm so addicted to. Because we got orange on and I'm still trying to use it. But it's really for the under eyes. It do something to the under eyes. Cause I'm on top of the world. Okay, for the under eyes, I think I'm gonna just do a smoky. I'm gonna go into my dark brown first. Oh, you know what? I think I'm gonna leave it brown. Or you know what? I don't know. What should I do? Cause I like when it's dark brown, then I do my mascara, it be popping. But I also love like a dark liner, like kind of look. You know what? That's what I'm gonna do. Cause I want the yeah. Now this is giving, okay? Okay, so let me dust off all of this powder. Okay, I'm gonna add some more orange to my cheeks. Okay, I'm gonna add my lashes and then I'll be back. Okay, so I added my mascara, my lashes, and I added my little wing on the inside. It's giving right? Now I'm gonna line my lips. I'm going to use Nudist by L'Oreal first. I'm going to take 90s Chick and go over. So I'm going to leave them like this for the sake of I'm actually going somewhere. And I'm going to put my gloss on before I actually leave. This is pretty much it for this face. I will not be doing an after. If you want to see the after, you have to watch my video on the gala that I am attending tonight. I'm pretty much recording footage up until and during. I'm gonna try to get some during. And so if you want to see how everything comes out, you have to go and watch that video. Thank you guys for watching, and I hope I see you on the next video when we create more bomb looks together. And yeah, subscribe to my channel and comment below. And yeah.